Hello students, today we will discuss about types of CNC machines. The topic covers in computer integrated manufacturing 6 semester as well as 8 semesters. We can see in this slide the various types of computer numerical control machines there. The first one lathe machine, milling machine, drilling machine, and the basic types of drilling is the bench type drill or a pillar type drill, boring machines, grinding machines, etc. These are basic types of CNC machines. There are many CNCs for the particular purposes in the industries. First of all, why use CNC machines? That are increase production, throughput, and improve the quality and accuracy of the manufactured parts by the CNC machines, stabilize manufacturing costs by the CNC machines, the manufacture complex or otherwise impossible jobs 2D and 3D contours possible by the CNC machines. Use of typical CNC machines, the design is loaded into the computer which is attached to the CNC machine. The computer changes the design into a special code numerical that control the way the CNC cuts and shapes the material. The basic parts of the CNC machines here we can see in slide the chuck, that light of workpiece, the plastic for cutting, guard here, motor, electric motor or power supply, and the cutter, vice, lathe bed, etc. All these are parts of the CNC machines as per conventional lathe machines, and the telescope you can see here, and the tool magazine, and movement moving part of the three axis have in CNC machines. CNC machine input process and output process. Input process a computer. The computer is used to draw the design. However, the design is only a picture and the CNC machine cannot use this to manufacture the product. The computer software must also convert the drawing into numbers coordinates that the CNC machine can use when it starts to cut and shape the material. An interface: a computer cannot be directly connected to a CNC machine. The computer is connected to a interface. This converts the signals from the computer to a form that the CNC machine understands. The signals are in the form of digital signals when they are sent to the CNC machine by the machine control unit. CNC, computer numerical control machine, the signals from the interface control the motor on the CNC machine. The signals determine the way the vice moves. The vice moves in three directions XYZ, that horizontally, vertically, and depth. The signals also control the speed of the cutting tools. Control panel of the CNC. A CNC machine is normally controlled by a computer and software. However, most CNC machines have a range of controls for manual use. It is rare for a CNC machine to be used manually as Simple operations are best carried out on cheap, basic, and manual machines. When a CNC machine is used manually, it is being used well below capacity and specifications. The parts of the CNC machines and the industry production flow chart for the example, then the basic steps of the production of the particular component. And the first one, cut plastic to size, and second is smooth edges, third quick check and then pass, and the fourth setup invoice, fifth line up cutting tool, and sixth quick check again and pass, seven is start machining, and the final check and again pass, and supply to the customer. CNC machines and safety. CNC machines are very safe to use as they are designed to be as safe as possible. One of the main advantages of the CNC machine is that they are much safer than manually operated machines. We can see in the slide the cover panel of the CNC machines. There is a dust extraction outlet and the guard here, door locks, control panel, stop button, residual circuit breakers, all thing is here for the safety of the workers or operator. Setting of the cutting tool to the correct length. One of the few operations that the machine operator carries out is to change the cutting tool. Each CNC machine has a range of cutting tools. Straight cutters, chamfer, V-grooves, and radius cutters are some examples of the cutting tools. If a detailed design is being manufactured, it may be necessary to change the cutting tool at least once during the manufacturing process. It is very important that all the cutters are set up to exactly to the same length in the collet. If this is not done, the material being machined will be machined at incorrect depths. Some advantages of the CNC machines here. The first one, CNC machines can be used continuously 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and only need to be switched off for occasional maintenance. CNC machines are programmed with a design which can be manufactured hundreds or even thousands of times. Each manufactured product will be exactly the same. Less skilled trained people can operate CNC unlike manual lathe machine, milling machines, etc., which need skilled engineers. CNC machines can be updated by improving the software used to drive the machines, reduce wastage error, allow minimize waste and materials, and by the CNC machines, find out or getting the higher accuracy of the particular product. Some disadvantages have the CNC machines. The first one, CNC machines are more expensive than manually operated machines, although costs are slowly coming down. The CNC machines operator only needs basic training and skill, enough to supervise several machines. In years gone by, engineers needed a year of training to operate central lathe milling machines and other manually operated machines. This means many of the old skills are being lost. And the main disadvantage of the CNC is unemployment also. Application of CNC in the some industries like automotive industry, aerospace industries, machinery industry, electrical industry, instrumentation industry, all type of industries have the CNC machines applications. Thank you.